You know that feeling. When you sit down to study and your mind just goes completely blank. The notes don't make sense, the reading feels overwhelming, and you already know you're about to spend the next 4 hours struggling just to understand the basics. It's frustrating, it's discouraging, and honestly, it is exhausting. But here's the good news, you do not have to study like that anymore. Today, I'm going to show you 5 artificial intelligence tools that are giving students a massive advantage going into 2026, letting you learn faster, understand deeper, and study in a way that finally feels manageable and even enjoyable. By the way, I'm Dex, your AI channel host. Welcome back to NextGen Life Hacks. Let's get started. I think you're really going to like this. Let's begin with tool number 1, Perplexity Free, the research engine that feels like studying with a personal tutor who never gets tired. Perplexity doesn't just give you answers, it guides your understanding step by step, it cites reliable sources for you, and it teaches complex ideas in a way that feels customized just for you. The single most valuable benefit here is clarity. Instead of drowning in technical terms you don't understand, Perplexity breaks them down into simple, digestible explanations. One common complaint is that the answers can sometimes be a bit too short. The fix for this is simple. Always add the phrase, "Explain this to me like I'm new," to the topic. This prompt forces it to give you a much more detailed foundational breakdown. In your first 30 days, beginners should use Perplexity to preview topics before lectures. This way, you walk into class with a foundational understanding, which makes the lecture itself much more valuable. Advanced learners can use it to compare academic viewpoints when writing essays or research papers. It's an incredibly powerful way to find different perspectives on a single topic. Next up is tool number 2, ExplainPaper, an absolute lifesaver for any student who has to deal with dense academic writing. All you do is highlight a paragraph, and ExplainPaper rewrites it in simple, clear language while preserving the original meaning and accuracy. The top benefit is pure speed. You'll find yourself understanding complex research papers in minutes instead of hours. The biggest misconception about ExplainPaper is that it's only for science and engineering students. But in reality, any subject with heavy reading like psychology, education, political science, or sociology becomes dramatically easier when you can instantly strip away all the unnecessary jargon. Here's a 30-day advanced workflow to try. Extract 3 levels of summaries from every paper you read: a paragraph-level summary, a section-level summary, and a full article summary. This process forces you to build a deeper, more layered comprehension of the material. Now let's shift into something even more transformative. Tool number 3, MindGrasp. This is a multi-purpose study assistant that turns your lectures, your textbooks, your videos, and even your PDFs into summaries, quizzes, and flashcards. With a single upload, you can turn passive studying into active recall instantly. The benefits are huge: better memory retention, much faster review sessions, and dramatically improved exam preparation. A common complaint is that the quizzes it generates can sometimes be a little too surface level. That's why advanced learners should take a few minutes to manually modify and expand the quiz questions. Tweak them so they reflect the same level of difficulty you expect on your actual exams. Over 30 days, you'll start to notice patterns in your results. The topics you repeatedly miss on these quizzes become your highest value study focus, showing you exactly where you need to put in more effort. And here's the kicker. If you stopped watching right now and only used MindGrasp and Perplexity for just 1 month, you would already outperform most of your peers, but we are only getting started. Let's move on to tool number 4, Tactiq Free. This tool automatically transcribes your classes, group meetings, study sessions, and online lectures in real time. It captures everything that's said, highlights key insights, and even timestamps the major points of the conversation. This means that instead of scrambling to write everything down and barely keeping up, you actually get to listen, think, and engage with the material. The biggest benefit is that every single lecture you attend becomes a searchable document. You can instantly find any topic that was discussed. The most common mistake people make is treating the transcript as the final product. A raw transcript is just data. You have to compress it into short summaries, create mind maps, or generate quiz questions to make it truly useful. And here's a powerful advanced workflow. Combine Tactiq with MindGrasp. You take the transcript from Tactiq, upload it directly into MindGrasp, and instantly generate a full suite of study tools for that lecture. Finally, we have tool number 5, Notion AI free tier, but we're not going to use it the way most students do. Instead of using it to write your essays for you, we're going to use it to automate your entire academic life. Think assignments, readings, deadlines, revision plans, study habits, and exam preparation, all in one central hub. The biggest benefit here is reducing your cognitive overload. When everything lives in one organized place, your mind is free to focus on what actually matters: learning. The most common complaint is that Notion can feel a little complicated at first. That's why beginners should start with a simple student dashboard template. There are tons of free ones online. Advanced learners, on the other hand, should focus on linking their databases for classes, readings, projects, and exam prep. This way, your entire system updates itself automatically as you add new information. So, let's compare the two major workflow styles so you can see how this all comes together and what actually works in practice. First, the beginner workflow. I call this the plug-and-play method. You'll use Perplexity to understand new topics before class. You'll use ExplainPaper for any confusing readings your professor assigns. You'll use MindGrasp to summarize chapters from your textbook and create quick quizzes. You'll use Tactiq to automatically save all your lecture notes. And finally, you'll use a simple Notion AI template to store everything in a clean visual system. Just this alone will likely double your study efficiency in the first month. Now for the advanced workflow. This is what I call the academic master system. With this, you pre-learn each topic using Perplexity before you even step into the classroom. You decode research papers using ExplainPaper and store all the key insights directly into your Notion database. You upload all your readings and lecture transcripts into MindGrasp to create adaptive study tools that get smarter over time. You use Tactiq to build a searchable archive of every lecture, every discussion, and every study group meeting. And you use Notion AI to create a semester-long, interconnected knowledge base that becomes stronger and more valuable each and every week. This is the exact workflow that the top 1% of students will be using by 2025. So, how do you actually implement this? Let's talk about the 30-day study transformation plan. Week 1 is all about organization. Build your Notion AI organization hub, find a template you like and set up your pages for each class. Week 2, focus on clarity. Use Perplexity and ExplainPaper for every single confusing concept or reading you encounter. Make this your default habit. Week 3 is about active learning. Turn all of your lectures and readings into quizzes and flashcards using MindGrasp. Start testing yourself regularly. And Week 4, you'll add Tactiq to capture all your discussions, review sessions, and group work, feeding that information back into your system. By the end of the month, your studying will become predictable, structured, and far less stressful. But before you dive in, let's quickly discuss the common mistakes that almost every student makes when they first start using artificial intelligence tools. Mistake number 1, using AI to shortcut assignments instead of using it to deepen your learning. This will always backfire. Mistake number 2, relying only on summaries without ever reviewing the original material. Summaries are a starting point, not the destination. Mistake number 3, creating overly complex systems that you abandon after just 1 week. Start simple and build from there. Mistake number 4, not adjusting the AI outputs to match your professor's specific expectations. Always tailor the information to fit the context of your course. And finally, mistake number 5, treating AI as a replacement for your own curiosity. AI is a tool, not a substitute for thinking. Ultimately, artificial intelligence is a multiplier. It amplifies whatever you bring to the table. If you bring curiosity and a desire to learn, it will make you unstoppable. To conclude, if you want to study smarter instead of harder in 2025, these 5 tools, which are Perplexity, ExplainPaper, MindGrasp, Tactiq, and Notion AI, give you the clarity, structure, and momentum you need. They are designed to turn overwhelm into confidence and transform confusion into real, tangible progress. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And be sure to watch our next upload for AI phone hacks that turn your device into a smart assistant automatically. And remember, optimization isn't the future, it's now. Your next upgrade starts today.